So I'm doing maintenance details on Sunday because the traffic is so horrendous here that's the best way to go all over the island. I start off pretty early, like 7, knock them all out and try to be done by 3 so I can have the rest of my day off, do whatever I want. But so I do that lady's house, and I do the neighbors, and I do about 5 more down this street and a couple more down that way, that guy. There's about 5 people. I do probably about 30 people in this community, and this is just one of the areas that I hit. Mobile detailing is pretty good business. If you guys are looking into starting your own, I can definitely help you. We have a detailing forum called Detailing for Money. We all kind of gather there, share tips and secrets and ideas. I just finished this bad boy. So she bought this brand new. The initial service was Ceramic Pro Sport. The exterior, everything, it sits outside. Ceramic Pro Sport is holding up very well on this, and yeah, so when I come, I wash it and I top it with like a silica sealant each time. Very happy with the results, but yeah.